Okay, we're going to have a look at our first activity here, which is advanced uploading of files. Now this is an assignment, but it's not one that you actually have to type anything on unless you really want to. It's really just a case of uploading a Word document or a PDF or a picture or any file which Moodle recognises, and that's lots of them, for your teacher to have a look at and give you a grade on. So let's click on advanced uploading of files. And we're taken to the screen for advanced uploading of files, and we can see where it's available from and to. We can see that it's a submission draft at the moment, and that basically means that it's not got into the graded section of things yet. Your teacher hasn't set a cut-off date for it. Once the cut-off date's up, then it goes from a draft to completed item. Now there's two things that we can look at here. One, we can just upload our files straight away, and the other thing that we can do is that we can attach a note to those files. So we'll have a look at this first. Click on Edit, and that takes us into a note section where we can add a note to explain certain things about the files if we want to, or if it's a late submission, or if you were sick, or something like that, some message that you wanted to give to the teacher explaining what the situation was. So let's just say, sorry, this is late, I was sick. Okay, so we can scroll down there and we can save our changes. And you can see that note is added to the file there, and that will show up when the teacher clicks on your submission as well. So let's upload some files. Okay, we're presented with this screen here now. Now, two things we can do. We can create a folder, and we can put all our files inside that folder if we wish, and then that folder will be presented to the teacher. So if we had a lot of documents and we wanted to keep them all together, then we could create a folder on there. I won't do that right now, I'll leave you to have a go at that. Or we can add some files. So let's go to the Add Files option. And we're presented with this dialog box. Now this is probably the first time you've seen this because I haven't showed you any uploading facilities yet. You can see on the side here there's a number of sections that we can go to. We can either go to server files, which really isn't relevant to you, recent files, so recent files that you've uploaded. We can actually go onto the hard drive of your computer and upload that particular file. One of the things that I'm going to have a look at to start with is private files. Now you will remember from a previous chapter on navigation in one of the previous movies that I actually uploaded a PowerPoint document to my private files. So if I click on that, that should still be there. There's my What's the Matter course. And there's my PowerPoint document. So I'm going to click on that and upload it. Say select this file. And that has been uploaded to this particular page. The advantage of uploading from the private file section is that it's a lot faster. You'll see when I upload something from the hard drive in a second, and I won't cut the video so you can see how long it takes, is that because it's already on the server, then it's very, very quick. So you may want to upload all the files that you are going to do or going to submit onto your private files first and keep a record of them there, and then when you're ready you can submit them for your assignment. So let's add another file. Let's go to upload a file, click on browse. Now I'm going to go to my desktop, just expand that. Now there's two files I want to upload. There's this file here, Anatomy of a Plant Cell, so I'm going to click on that and click open and then click upload this file. So that wasn't too bad, that was quite quick. I'm going to add another one. Go to Browse again. Now I'm looking for a Word document, which is here. Click Open. Upload this file. You can see this is taking a lot longer. And there's the Word document, so we have 3 files on there now. So I just uploaded those 2 files from my hard drive, but uploading one file at a time is a bit of a laborious process. What we can do, if I go back to Add and go to Browse again, now I've compressed those files previously. What you can do is you can select multiple files and you can zip those files. So usually it's a case of right clicking on them and zipping them. So I can do that now. I can select this file here. I'm holding down the Control or Command key, so it's a Control key on a PC. I'm going to select that, Anatomy of a Plant Cell again, and click on that one. We can navigate to a zip file. Now, a zip file is just a compressed file, which we've taken 2 of those files, the Word document and the picture file, and we've zipped them up, and they become one file. So I'm going to click on that archive file there and click Open. Upload this file. Okay, now you can see that we have created a zip file there. Now you might think, well, that's all well and good, but the teacher doesn't know what the zip file is. Well, we can actually unzip that now, so we can uncompress it. You see this hover over this little area here which looks like a form, and I'll click on that, and then that allows me to unzip it. I can also rename it, move it, or delete it. So we're going to click on Unzip. And that has now taken those 2 documents and unzipped them. So we go into this folder here, and you can see there's the Word document there. Okay, so when we're ready, we save our changes. And you can see we've submitted all those documents there. Now, we're in the draft phase at the moment, so that basically means that we're free to delete or change those files if we want to. Once that submission draft date is up, then we won't be able to submit them anymore. So we can, if we want to, go to Edit These Files, click on Edit These Files. Okay, so we're back where we were before. So what I can do now is say, okay, then I don't want this zip file here, so I'm going to click on that form again and go to Delete. Are you sure you want to delete this file? Yes, I'm sure. And that's got rid of that one, and I don't want this folder either, so I'm going to click on that form again and click Delete. Again, am I sure? Yes. So I'm left with these 3 documents here. So again, I'm going to click Save Changes. And we submitted our documents there. When we're ready to submit them for final marking, if there's no due date, for the draft, we can send them for marking. So when we're ready and we're happy with our results, then we can send it off, and that will then get sent to the teacher. Okay, we can also edit our note and everything if we want as well. So that's advanced uploading of files. We'll look at another assignment type in the next movie.